The tech industry is booming and forms a leading employment sector right now. You can consider this because reports say that there is an increase of around 20% in the average salaries. Yes, you heard it right. I'm Bindu Bhargavi. Welcome to Odin School. So, are you ready for the top 10 highest paying jobs in 2020? Well, let's get started. Before that, make sure that you hit the bell icon and subscribe to Odin School YouTube channel. Well, let's get started. At number 10, we have full stack developer. These developers need to be comfortable with both the backend and front end of software development. Some of the skills needed for someone to be considered a full stack developer are: one must be proficient in one or more backend languages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, should be specialized in one particular backend programming language like Ruby, PHP, or Python. The educational qualifications required are: one should hold a degree in computer science, should possess strong organizational and project management skills. Also, one should be familiar with database technology such as Angular, React.js, MongoDB, and Node.js. The average full stack developer salary is $82,600, while the highest pay reaching up to $116,000 and up to 9 lakhs in India. At number 9, we have the software architect. A software architect is an expert level software developer who communicates with businesses and clients to design and execute solutions with a team of software engineers. A software architect makes executive software design decisions. They often act as a designer, developer, and communicator. Skills that are required to be a software architect are problem solving ability, organizational skills, leadership qualities, good communication, and should be creative with ideas. Coming to education, usually software architects will have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, information systems, software engineering, or another related field. However, software architect positions favor training and experience over a degree, and it is possible to get a software architect position with no degree at all. Some software architects earn their master's or doctoral degrees to gain more knowledge in the field, and the average salary of software architect in the USA is $140,000, and in India it is 25 lakh rupees for this profile. At number 8, we have blockchain engineer. Blockchain engineers specialize in creating and implementing digital solutions for organizations by utilizing a unique type of technology. Blockchain technology allows information to be distributed and shared publicly via the internet without being copied. Blockchain engineers may work for data services and technology consulting firms. The educational requirements are: individuals will need a bachelor's degree in computer science, information system, or engineering to work as blockchain engineers, with some employees preferring a master's degree. A strong background in distributed database experience and sign-on security experience will be beneficial. Here we go with the skill set. Excellent technical abilities are the most essential asset for blockchain engineers as they are responsible for creating online solutions. Other relevant skills may include programming languages like Java and Python, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Oracle Identity, and access management solutions. Should also be good at analytical abilities. The average salary of blockchain engineer in the USA is $107, and in India it is 12 lakh rupees per annum. In 7th place stands IoT engineer. The role of an IoT developer or engineer is a broad umbrella that brings to play multiple disciplines and skill sets. IoT developers are professionals who can develop, manage, and monitor IoT devices and systems by combining three core components such as data, technology, and research. The skills required to become an IoT engineer are: you should have hands-on experience in coding in multiple programming languages, should have an in-depth understanding of Linux, OS, and embedded software architecture. One should also have prior experience in working with wireless stacks like Zigbee or BLE Mesh. Coming to educational requirements, an IoT architect position will require at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or information technology. Florida International University offers a Bachelor of Science in Internet of Things, making this the only specific IoT degree in the USA. The average salary of an IoT engineer in the USA is $148,000 and around 6 lakh rupees per annum in India. At number 6, we have Senior DevOps Engineer, also known as Senior Developers. They oversee teams of junior software developers. Their duties include advising on the alignment of operations with information systems, writing code and scripts, and ensuring the seamless deployment of software. DevOps engineers will need excellent software development skills in order to successfully design and implement applications. Applicable skills are Java, Python, and Groovy. Other technical skills may include Microsoft Server, Linux, Apache, Bash, and IP networking. Moreover, DevOps engineer requires a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related discipline. A strong background in data center migrations will be beneficial. The average salary in the USA is $114,000 and in India it is 21 lakh rupees per annum. At number 5, we have data scientists. Data scientists are experts at interpreting large amounts of raw data. Sometimes this information may initially be very unorganized, seem unrelated, or be generally hard to interpret. Their job is to analyze and synthesize it into findings and results that are more easily understood. Data scientists need a high level of skills in mathematics, data analysis, statistics, and should be knowledgeable in machine learning. Because of the high level of computer and research knowledge requirement in this field, data scientists should generally have a doctoral degree in data science or a related field, and the average salary ranges between $85,000 and $170,000 per year. In India, the average salary is up to 18 lakh per annum. At number 4, we have Data Security Engineer. Data Security Engineer or Network Security Engineer plans and implements the security measures that are necessary to protect an organization's networks and systems from cyber attacks and security breaches. They conduct penetration testing and develop security standards for a company to protect sensitive information. The skills required are the knowledge of computer networks, operating systems, monitoring tools, and risk management factors. The average salary offered is $143,000 and a corresponding 26 lakhs in India. At number 3, we have Enterprise Architect. An enterprise architect is someone who is responsible for making sure that a company's business strategy uses proper technology systems architecture to achieve its goals. Enterprise architects have an enormous degree of responsibility and typically report directly to the Chief Information Officer. Enterprise architect jobs typically require an undergraduate degree in computer science or a related field and 5 to 10 years of IT experience. Depending on the company, you may also need a master's degree. To succeed in this role, an enterprise architect must have communication, analytical, leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Experts say that good experience in SQL, data sourcing, enterprise data management, modeling, business strategy, and auditing will be definitely helpful. The average salary of an enterprise architect is $151,000 in the USA and a corresponding 25 lakh rupees in India. At number 2, we have Cloud Architect. A cloud architect is responsible for converting the technical requirements of a project into the architecture and design that will guide the final product. Often, cloud architects are also responsible for bridging the gaps between complex business problems and solutions in the cloud. Being knowledgeable in at least one operating system such as Linux, Unix, Solaris, Windows is helpful. Also, having a good understanding of networking and computer programming languages is suggested, and an initial knowledge of some basic security concepts such as firewalls is necessary. On an average, a cloud architect is paid $154,000 in the USA, and in India, the average salary is 15 lakh rupees per annum. And finally, here comes our highest paid job in tech for 2020, that is Artificial Intelligence Engineer. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The ideal characteristic of AI is its ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. Automation, robotics, and the use of sophisticated computer software characterize a career in AI. Specific education based on foundations of math, technology, logic, and engineering perspectives would be helpful. Working with artificial intelligence require an analytical thought process and the ability to solve problems with cost-effective, efficient solutions. AI specialists need technical skills to design, maintain, and repair technology and software programs, and the average salary is expected to be around $175,000 in the USA, and in India it is around 20 lakh rupees per annum. There you have it. Those are the top 10 highest paying jobs right now. If you like this video and want more of this kind, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Wanna say something or have any queries? Please do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.